These 50 road signs appear on every driving test. Master them, and you're guaranteed to pass. Guess this traffic sign. Right. It is the no waiting sign. Identify this road sign. Exactly. That is the give way sign. What is this traffic sign? Correct. It is the no entry sign. Which road sign is this? Great! It is the stop sign. Guess this road sign. Perfect. That is the parking place sign. What is this traffic sign? Nice. That is the pedestrians ahead sign. Identify this road sign. Right. It is the no U-turn sign. Identify this traffic sign. Exactly. That is the traffic signals ahead sign. What is this road sign? Correct. It is the zebra crossing sign. Guess this traffic sign. Great! It is the no right turn sign. Identify this road sign. Nice work. That is the no stopping sign. Which traffic sign is this? Excellent. That is the roundabout sign. Guess this road sign. Perfect. It is the two-way traffic sign. What is this traffic sign? Great job! That is the children going to school sign. Identify this road sign. Correct! That is the soft verges sign. Guess this traffic sign. Exactly. That is the maximum speed 20 miles per hour sign. Which road sign is this? Nice. That is the road narrows on both sides sign. Identify this traffic sign. Right. That is the no left turn sign. Guess this road sign. Great! It is the T-junction sign. What is this traffic sign? Excellent! That is the warning sign. Identify this road sign. Perfect. That is the uneven road sign. Guess this traffic sign. Nice. That is the tunnel sign. Which road sign is this? Correct. It is the steep ascent sign. Identify this traffic sign. Exactly. That is the side road sign. Guess this road sign. Great job. That is the no overtaking sign. Guess this road sign. Perfect. That is the hump bridge sign. What is this traffic sign? Nice! It is the falling or fallen rocks sign. Identify this road sign. Right. That is the crossroad sign. Guess this road sign. Excellent. That is the low-flying helicopter sign. Which road sign is this? Correct. It is the opening bridge sign. Identify this traffic sign. Great! That is the one-way traffic sign. Guess this road sign. Nice! That is the side wind sign. What is this traffic sign? Excellent. That is the staggered junction sign. Identify this road sign. Right. That is the slippery road sign. Guess this road sign. Correct. That is the minimum speed limit of 30 miles per hour sign. Which road sign is this? Perfect. That is the mini roundabout sign. Identify this road sign. Nice. That is the National Speed Limit Applies sign. Guess this road sign. Great! It is the low-flying aircraft sign. What is this traffic sign? Exactly. That is the traffic cues likely ahead. Identify this road sign. Perfect. That is the steep descent sign. Guess this road sign. Great! That is the watercourse alongside road sign. Which road sign is this? Correct. That is the wild animals sign. Identify this traffic sign. Excellent. That is the frail pedestrians likely to cross sign. Guess this road sign. Great. That is the accompanied horses sign. What is this traffic sign? Nice! That is the worded warning sign. Identify this road sign. Right. That is the riverbank or quayside sign. Guess this road sign. Perfect. That is the road work sign. Which road sign is this? Great. That is the pedestrians prohibited sign. Identify this road sign. Excellent. That is the end of dual carriageway sign. Guess this road sign. Right. That is the bend to right sign. That concludes today's session. If you want to keep boosting your chances of passing the driving test, subscribe now for more weekly driving test guides and study materials. Tap one of the videos on the screen to keep learning. Stay focused and you'll pass easily.